Greetings to everyone from the Let's Design team from Ukraine. My name is Yulia Podolets.
Володя Баландюх.
Katya Kubay.
Віталій Литвин.
Behind me is the history of my family. This is where I drew strength for the entire team. Today, in the times of war, of Russian brazen attack on Ukraine. My grandfather, Ivan Torba, built this house after the First World War in the late 20s of the last century. A small warm home for his family. We set ourselves goals of reviving traditional Ukrainian architecture and giving it meaning of passive house, and we interpreted grandfather's house with preserved character.
Our work process was remind a painting which we paint with all the love we could find in ourselves. Forms of structures, materials that we used are aesthetically combined with each other. Boho interior collection with its blue netting structure seems to have been created for this project. It resonates so well with the cool-toned white wall of this house. Industrial ivory was chosen for the facades of the house. It has a fine texture that resembles natural plaster material. Characteristics of industrial ivory are resistance to any environmental conditions. We decided to replace the wooden external columns with delicate metal ones, made of curtain. In the process of working on this project, natural lighting became a difficult task to us. Such houses have small windows, and this created their character. We want more air in the interior, and at the same time not to lose our originality. That is why we designed strips of windows under the roof and the large triangular shapes of windows frames in the roof.
The built-up area 79 square meters and the basement is 40 square meters, which has two exits and can be a shelter. The living area of the house is variable due to the second level. So we got home playing options for different families from 1 to 5 people. The living area range from 138 to 160 respectively. The technical room was lowered into the basement floor where there is also a shelter area. Therefore, there is a kitchen unit, a shower room and a room with sleep places. On the first level there is a kitchen studio with access to the veranda, a master bedroom with bathroom and a guest toilet. On the second level there is a bedroom or two bedroom and a bathroom.
We aim to minimize the negative impact of the building on the environment thanks to efficiency and moderation of the use of materials and energy. Our goal is energy efficiency of the house class A. Therefore, the task is to avoid cold bridges of all enclosing structures: walls, floors, ceilings, attics, basements and foundations. Centralized supply exhaust ventilation is carried out through a heat recovery unit. For heating, geothermal heat pump. We need 100 square meters of solar panels for green energy.
Stand with Ukraine! Слава Україні!